Hello everyone, Piotr speaking. In this video I would like to show you one of my investing system. This is called trend following system, and you can find this video in this section on my web page. And now I will switch to the trading platform. Okay, so trend following here. Everyone talks about it, and most probably many of you have already heard about it. So the idea is to play with the trend, not play against the trend. How to do it? I've got my own system for that. I use these blue Fibonacci levels in order to show my subscribers that currently I'm trading with this trend following system. So what is necessary for this system? There are 2 points. First one, if you would like to go long, so you have to wait until the market make a move from the Bollinger lower band to Bollinger upper band and make the first correction. Okay, so moves down to this 61.850 level to the area of Bollinger middle band. Okay, so after this first move is made, okay, you start plotting Fibonacci levels. Okay, like that. Okay, this is a special case. The market did a move from Bollinger lower band up to Bollinger upper band, starting moving to the Bollinger middle band, to the area of 61.50 levels. Additionally, you need MACD indicator. This is a special one. MACD indicator to break through this zero line. If it happens, so that is the trade setups. The trade setups is located, and you can set up Fibo levels like that. In this case, the market moved to the downside, did another move to the upside, and started falling again. So that's why I move this Fibo level a little bit higher. Okay, and set it once again. Okay, what I do next? I place a buy stop order above this level. Okay, I usually use a filter around 24, 25 pips. 25 pips for the currency pairs like Great Britain pound, USD, Euro USD, all the pairs with Japanese yen. I use the 30 pips filter. Okay, so I place a buy order here, and I wait until the market triggers that order. Yeah, so, and I play usually to this Fibo 161, to this 261, and in that case the market reached even this 423.6 level. Okay, you can divide. You take profits, especially if after the 161 level has been reached. It's good to place a second take profit area, take profit level in between those two levels. So you can see that the market was reacting somewhere in the middle here, and some of the take profits happened here. Okay, so this is pretty much like it works. Okay, in that case it moved really strong up to that level. Okay, I'll show you another example. Okay, this is pound Japanese yen. As you can see, the MACD indicator was in the negative area, so below the zero line, and the market started going up from Bollinger lower band up to the Bollinger upper band. Okay, and that's in the same time the MACD indicator started breaking through this zero line. Okay, so I plotted my Fibo levels, my blue Fibo levels on the chart, and I waited until the market broke through that Fibo 100 line, through that Fibo 100 level. Okay, and in that case the market reached this 161 level very quickly, moved back to this Fibo 100 level, which happens very often, especially on time frames like daily, weekly. Sometimes it happens even in the 4 hours chart. Okay, so in that case the market moved down to this FIBO 100, and other traders entered into the market again. You can see this harmonic pattern here as well. It was also indicating that the market is willing to go to the upside, and in that case the market moved really strong to this 261 level or 423 level. Okay, and even in that case the market kept on moving up really long. Okay, there's another example in the last few weeks. Actually, in the beginning of September, I had another move from Bollinger lower band up to the Bollinger upper band. In that case, it was a little bit tricky because the MACD indicator started moving, breaking the zero line a few times. Yeah. But as you can see, in that case, it broke through that zero line. Actually, started falling down again, but wasn't that strong to fall further. Okay. Okay, I'm back. So the market moved to the downside again, but we could see here, or we can see here that the MACD indicator wasn't able to move to the downside further. I mean, breaking below this level and started breaking through the zero line again. Okay, and you can see this movement here from the Bollinger lower band up to the Bollinger upper band, and it did the correction up to the level 61.50. Okay, very typical. Okay, and then started going up and triggered my buy stop order. Okay, and that brought me over 300 pips or something like that. Yeah, definitely over 300 pips. It was more than 400, even 500 pips. Okay, because the market reached that level. Okay, that level, and okay, that's why the market is now reacting to that level, and there is a lot of taking profit, or there was a lot of taking profit here. So many traders took their profits there. Good. Yeah, it's still possible that the market can reach that level as well. Yeah, maybe in that case, the market will do another move to the downside somewhere in this area. Sometimes between those two levels, the market reverses again and starts going up again. Okay. Okay, I'll give you another example. Okay, in this case, a gold. You can see the MACD indicator on the gold was in the positive area all the time. Okay, and then suddenly started breaking through the zero line. Okay, did it for once, then moved to the upside again, but after that the market did a move from the Bollinger upper band to the Bollinger lower band and did a correction, and this correction stopped very precisely at that 61.8 level, 50 level. It happens around those levels. Actually, it's better even if sometimes it reaches the Bollinger middle band, so at that level. The most important thing is that you are waiting until the market break through the FIBO 100. So your order will be triggered. So you are not entering the market, but you are waiting until the market does it by itself. Okay, this is very important, because if the market do not trigger your pending order, okay, you are not entering to the market. So you are sitting and waiting and waiting for the market. And MACD indicator started breaking through the zero line, and the market triggered those sell stops orders in that case. Yeah. And you can see the market reached FIBO 100, 161. Actually, by the initial move, that was the move was only halfway between those two levels. It's also noticeable. Okay, then moved to the upside, wasn't even able to reach the FIBO 100 once again, and then started falling very strong to the downside. Okay, we reached this 261, and sometimes I'm coming back to this trade, and I'm saying to my users that okay, that might be the case that we will reach this level as well. Yeah, but I'm not so sure about it. Yeah, it's not that strong anymore, because we have to here another nice upward movement and a nice correction This is also a good example. We did a movement from the Bollinger lower band up to the Bollinger upper band. Correction to this 61.8. It's a little bit hidden here. The MACD indicator broke through the zero line. I had a buy stop order here. The market wasn't able to reach that level. Okay, and usually the market usually reaches that level. It happens really often. Yeah. Okay, this is a daily chart. Yeah, it's a little bit longer and slower, but it happens very often. And I was asking myself why the market wasn't able to reach that. What will happen here in this area FIBO 100, or what the market may happen in this area 61.8 again? Okay, because sometimes it falls to this level and reverses and goes up again. And you've got the answer here. You've got the answer here. Reacted to the FIBO 50 level, FIBO retracement. This is very typical for a second wave according to Elliott waves counts, and the market did a reversal here. Started going up again. Okay, good. I'll show you another example, the last one on Euro USD. The market did a movement from the Bollinger upper band here to the Bollinger lower band. I set it up these FIBO levels. So the FIBO 100 was here, zero line was here, and I waited until the market break through that line. That's why you can see this narrow here. Okay, and there was my sell stop order waiting. Okay, like 25 pips below that level, those levels. Market didn't trigger this order, yeah, and move strongly to the upside. So I was really secure because I was waiting for the market. Yeah, it didn't happen, so I didn't enter into the market. Okay, so that is also a very big advantage of this system or such systems. Okay, here another example. Very sorry to interrupt this video. Yeah, but users are contacting me and I have to answer some questions. Okay, good. So I think you've got now everything what you need in order to trade based on that system. Important is I use that system on 4 hours chart, daily chart, weekly chart. Okay, I do not use it on the 1 hour or 30 minutes chart or 15 minutes chart. You can do it. I will show you how to do it maybe in another video. But those intervals they're quite fast, and it's recommended to use it on a 4 hours chart. Works very well in the forex chart or on the daily and weekly charts. Okay, so that 1 hour and the others they're a bit too fast, So you have to consider what is going on the 4 hour or on daily, so you won't play against those higher intervals. So that's the reason. Okay, thanks for watching. Good luck.